Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Anusha Bose and this is my first YouTube video. So let me give a small introduction about myself. I am a part-time solo traveler and a full-time investment banker. I love to travel the world by myself, so my channel is all about sharing food and travel stories. In this video, I am going to show you 7 things that you must carry when you are traveling. Be it traveling solo or traveling with a partner or friends. These are the most important things that every person should carry when traveling. So let's start. The most important thing that you must carry while traveling anywhere is a power bank. I bought this one from Amazon and it is from Xiaomi with a battery of 10,000 mAh and it also provides the 18 watt fast charging capability. It is very user friendly and easy to save and keep it anywhere in your luggage. Obviously, in your cabin luggage, you cannot keep this in your checked-in luggage because that is not allowed. Now, the next important thing is a travel adapter. Now, this is an international travel adapter. Like you can see, it has 3 different ports. Now, I've traveled to 2 different continents, Europe and Asia, and across various countries, and every country has a very different and separate port for charging purposes. Now I am an Android user, so the charger that we get is a little different than what we can actually plug in the hotels or hostels. So this travel adapter is literally my savior. It also has a USB port and you can easily get this on Amazon. It costs about 500 to 600 rupees, so this won't even burn a big hole in your pocket. Now the most important thing that I will not leave my house without when I am traveling, catching a flight, bus or a train are my earbuds. I cannot survive any journey without plugging them in because I know there are different kind of people that would be traveling around me, be it a crying kid or a crying baby, people who might be talking out loud or listening to any kind of content without having these headphones or any earbud plugged on. So this is a lifesaver. Now make sure to have the noise cancelling feature enabled in your earbud or your phone, because without it you will not able to have a seamless travel journey. Now I personally do not like the heavy noise cancelling headphones because they occupy a lot of space in my luggage, and this is literally pocket friendly, and these are from Samsung and it has one of the best noise cancelling feature. Now the next most important thing for hygiene purposes, I carry a sanitizer. Now I would be touching so many different things when flying or traveling across anywhere in the world or within the country. I make sure that I have this hand sanitizer always in my bag because sometimes when I'm having street food or I'm in a flight, it is not very convenient to go ahead and have a wash basin by your disposal. So I make sure that I carry a hand sanitizer because it not only helps me maintain the hygiene, it will kill germs, etc. So make sure you have this always with you. Now, the most important tip while traveling is to be hydrated. And in order to be hydrated, always make sure you're carrying a tumbler. Now, I have been a person who has wasted money buying bottles and bottles of water. Especially if you are traveling in a very expensive country where water is expensive than beer, it is important that you fill your tumbler from your hotel or hostel and carry it along your entire journey. Now this is obviously my Stanley and this stores up to 887 milliliters of water. So this would at least last for half a day. So make sure that you have a tumbler, maybe a big or a small one, whatever you prefer with you, and not waste much money in buying water. My most favorite product that I would never ever step out of the house without are these cute little bottles that I got from Amazon. You can also get them in Miniso or any departmental store for that matter. Now, I am a person who would not carry huge bottles of shampoo, conditioners or any sort of skincare product. I would fill these bottles with the necessary amount of every product and I would carry it with them in my luggage. Now these don't require a lot of space firstly, and secondly these are leak proof. So I am rest assured while I'm traveling always. A lot of people ask me if these bottles are enough to last or sustain the entire journey. My answer is yes. Now if you're someone that requires a large quantity of the product that you use, so make sure you fill 2 of these bottles and use it accordingly. Last but not the least, carry a jacket. And I say this because your flight journey is going to be uncomfortable somewhere or the other. I hope this video helped you, and now you would exactly know what are the different types of product you must carry when you are traveling. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and I would be coming up with more such videos on travel itineraries, tips, tricks, and my entire travel journey. So stay tuned.